Well, here's the snowy aftermath of the blizzard yesterday. Yeah, we definitely have bigger piles of snow on the house. There's the yard. Let me pause and I'll shovel something here. Hold on. Well, there's what I shoveled. Looks like we got the 8 inches they said we were going to get. And this is the world. Oops. Okay, so I'm not shaking. Okay. That temp is completely wrong. It is not 50 degrees. It's just in the sun. It's more like 5 or so. But, yep, our snowy, frozen world. It's deep snow now. So, this is it. Very interesting. Thankfully, we didn't lose power or anything like that. And, yep, our world for the next 2.5 months. Depends. Our snow doesn't disappear until about end of March, around that time. But there you have it. Over here, there's underneath this pile of snow, there's a glider. But you can see how much snow we have now on top of the planters and stuff. So that's what we've got on the ground. Yep, our snowy world. Thanks for watching.